Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take Log. If you have ever wanted to send files through Facebook Messenger but weren't sure how, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily send any kind of file, whether it's document, PDF, image, or more straight from your phone. This step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. Now let's get started. Let's start with sending files from your phone. If you are using the Messenger app on Android or iPhone, follow these steps. Open the Messenger app and select the conversation where you want to send the file. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an icon that looks like a plus symbol. Tap on that. From here, you will have several options to send a file. Select the file option if it's visible. On some device, you might have to tap on more or photos and videos. Choose the file you want to send from your phone's storage. Once selected, tap the send button and that's it. Your file will be sent through Messenger. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.